Today we're going to check the calibration on a wheel balancer, and we're also going to show you the calibration on a wheel balancer. This is a Cemb ER60. So first of all, before we do this, we want a steel wheel. We want to rear cone mount that, so we're going to use the cone from the back there, put the wheel on. Wind it on most of the way. The last part, just rotate the wheel and shaft assembly. You just nip it up a bit at a time. That helps it to walk its way up the cone and centre it properly. Then we want to take the dimensions of the wheel. So we drag the arm out. Okay, lower the hood so the sonar detects the width. Let it spin up. Then we just want to check and make sure the dimensions are correct. Press the menu button, press up. So we've got BDA, enter. B is our width, so it's a 15 by 6, so that's correct. Press enter again. D is our diameter, 15 inch. And A is our offset, which looks about right from the arm to the wheel. So once we've got that, we're happy with that. We can do a test to see what the calibration is, or we can go and do the calibration. So first of all, we'll do the calibration, and then we'll test it afterwards to make sure that our calibration is right. So we press the menu key. Go down to setup. Go up to cal. Okay, now it says start. So we lower the hood, press the start button. Okay, so it's asking for 60 grams on the right hand side. It doesn't have to be in a specific position, but you need to make sure that you can place the weight in exactly the same position for the next step on the opposite side. So I'm going to use a seam on the tyre so that I can easily transfer it from one side to the other without changing positions. So 60 grams on there, lower the hood, press start. Okay, now we transfer the weight from the right hand side to the left hand side. Make sure that you put it in exactly the same position. So I'm going to take it off here. Okay, follow my seam across. Put it on exactly the same position on the left hand side. Press start. Okay, after it's finished this spin, we'll see this symbol up here on the screen telling us to locate the weight at 12 o'clock. So we make sure the weight's at 12 o'clock, press the enter key. Then we'll see a different symbol, this one here, telling us to place the arm where the weight is. So we do that, press the enter key. Then finally we get this symbol here telling us to locate 6 o'clock. We roll it round to where the laser is pointing at the weight and press enter, and we're done. Press stop to get out of there. If we want to test and see whether the calibration is definitely correct. So we're still using the same wheel that we just calibrated it with. So everything should be the same. Press start. Okay. Okay, so it's asking for 7 and 6. If I bash 60 grams, onto where it's asking for that weight on the left hand side, we should see that weight offset it. So 7 and 6. So I should see somewhere around 53 on the left hand side in the opposite position. Okay, so pretty good. Okay, so we can also test the other side as well. Take the weight off again, lower the hood, let it spin up again. Okay, so it's asking for 6 grams on the right hand side. That's what it's asking for the weight. So if I bang 60 grams on where it's asking for the 6, where it's currently 6 grams light, means that after I spin it up again, we should have approximately 54 grams in exactly the opposite position. there, so it's looking pretty good. Okay, so we're 2 grams out there, that's exactly 6 o'clock. So if it's within 5 grams either way, then you should be fine.